Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Practice Easy English. I'm so happy you're here with us today. If you're listening right now, you're already improving your English, and that's amazing.
Hey, everyone. It's great to have you here again. How are you feeling today? Are you relaxed, busy, or maybe just waking up?
Honestly, I love this time of day. Talking with you all, sharing ideas, and learning together, it just feels so natural and fun.
Exactly. And today's topic is something super practical. We're going to learn English through a morning routine. Real life, real English, real conversation.
By the end of this episode, you'll be able to describe your own morning routine confidently, use natural expressions, and understand how native speakers actually talk.
And here's a quick question for you. What's the first thing you do when you wake up? Think about it and maybe write it in the comments.
Yes, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Practice Easy English so you never miss our lessons.
All right, let's get started and talk about mornings.
So let's begin with the basics. When we talk about our daily routine, we usually use the present simple tense.
Right. The structure is very simple. Subject plus base verb. For example, I wake up. I brush my teeth. I eat breakfast.
Exactly. These are things we do every day, so we use present simple.
Let me give you a few examples. I wake up at 8 a.m. I take a shower. I drink coffee. I check my phone.
These are all very common and useful sentences. Think about your morning. Do you do these things too?
Now here's a question for you. Can you say your morning routine using I? Try it now.
For example, I wake up, I open the curtains, I make my bed.
And don't worry if your sentences are simple. Simple is good.
Let's talk about negatives. If you don't do something, you can say I don't plus verb.
For example, I don't drink coffee. I don't wake up early.
Very easy, right? Now, let me ask you, do you wake up early or late? Try to answer out loud.
And here's another one. Do you eat breakfast every day?
Great practice. Keep going. The more you speak, the better you get.
So, quick summary. Use present simple for routines, use I plus verb, and use I don't plus verb for negatives.
Now, let's build on that. Let's make your English sound more natural. Yes, because native speakers don't just say, I wake up. They add details. For example, I wake up at 9 a.m. I wake up slowly. I wake up feeling tired. See? Same sentence, but more natural. Let's create a small conversation. What do you do in the morning? I usually wake up, check my phone, and then make coffee. That sounds very real. Now let's talk about usually, sometimes, and always. These are frequency words. They tell us how often we do something. For example, I always brush my teeth. I usually drink coffee. I sometimes skip breakfast. And here's a tip. First, use always for 100%. Second, usually for most days. Third, sometimes for a few days. Now your turn. Can you make a sentence using usually? Try it. Maybe write it in the comments. Also, informal versus formal. In casual speech, we say, I wake up late. In more formal, I wake up later than usual. But honestly, for daily conversation, keep it simple. Exactly. Simple and natural is the goal. So, quick review, add details, use frequency words, and practice real sentences. Now, let's take it one step further. Let's talk about feelings in your routine.
Yes, because language is not just actions. It's emotions, too.
For example, I wake up feeling tired. I feel excited in the morning. I feel lazy sometimes.
That makes your English more human and real.
Let's imagine a situation.
Okay, you wake up late. What do you say?
I woke up late and I feel stressed.
Nice. Now, another one. You slept well.
I feel fresh and ready for the day.
Perfect.
Tip: use feel plus adjective.
And your tone matters. Say it naturally, not like a robot.
Try speaking this out loud. I feel tired today.
Good. Now say, I feel great today.
Big difference, right?
Practice speaking with emotion. It helps a lot.
So remember, add feelings, speak naturally, and practice out loud.
That's how you sound fluent.
Let's talk about mistakes. And don't worry, we all make them.
Oh yes, even us.
Mistake 1. I am wake up at 8.
Incorrect. Correct is, I wake up at 8.
Because we don't use am with present simple verbs.
Mistake 2. I am take a shower.
Correct? I take a shower.
Mistake 3. I don't wakes up early.
Correct? I don't wake up early.
Because after don't, we use the base verb. Mistake 4. I very like coffee.
Correct? I really like coffee. See the difference?
Now your turn. Can you correct this? I am eat breakfast.
Say it out loud. Great job if you said, I eat breakfast. Don't worry about mistakes. They help you learn.
Exactly. Practice makes progress.
Let's practice. Choose the correct sentence.
Situation 1. A. I wake up at 7. B. I am wake up at 7.
Correct answer?
A.
Situation 2.
A. I don't drink coffee. B. I don't drinks coffee. Answer is A.
Situation 3.
A. I feel tired. B. I am feel tired. Correct is A.
Speak these sentences out loud.
Try different tones too.
Now create your own sentence.
And remember, real conversation is more important than perfection.
Wow, we covered so much today. You learned how to talk about your morning routine using simple, natural English.
Yes! We talked about present simple, adding details, and expressing feelings.
Keep practicing every day. Even small practice helps a lot.
Let me ask you one last question. What's one thing you do every morning?
Write it in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe to Practice Easy English.
We're so happy to learn with you.
Keep going, keep improving, and never stop learning.
See you next time. Bye-bye.